Good morning, welcome to Farsley, where I grew up. Literally, I grew up, can't see it now, just up there, just up that road up there. Nice little street. We're on a driveway this week, off at next few days until blocks come in. We've got some pretty special blocks that are getting done. So they're getting ordered, getting brought in by MKM, by someone else, I don't know. But yeah, it's just a dig out really. Stone up, pins in, air in by tomorrow night, and then whenever blocks come in, boom, we come and put blocks down. Let me show you what they are. It's like a linear block, 3 or 4 different shades. It's quite nice. And then we're having border on edge like this. There's a picture frame. We're setting them up like that as well, not like herringbone. We're just setting them up in lines, so it'll look nice. If it looks nice, I might get it, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, catch you soon. We are back in Farsley. We're putting the pin curbs in this morning across the front. It's on a curve. We're like, obviously on a curve on the road, quite a severe curve on the road, but the garden's just gradually curved. So we're putting them down the front this morning. Hopefully we will get the echo in, as it is going to smash it down by 11 o'clock. So we have 3 hours to get what we can do. But yeah, I'll see you in the front garden. Yes. So as you can see, the depth I've already put a footing in. I've got like another 3 inch to put up, but this is falling, touching line that way to lead across. So sorry about the tripod. So it does come down here, and then it's 210mm step. But as we always do, on a driveway, we overdig the foundation, so it's 300mm, sometimes 400mm to be honest. I think in this corner, I think it's just ridiculously deep, but cars are only getting heavier in my theory. Cars are getting bigger, so God, weather's changing now. Cars are getting bigger, so you just need more compaction underneath. When we dug out yesterday down at the block paving area, there was 70mm blocks, quite thick, 70mm blocks, 20mm sand, 10mm hardcore, and it was sunk all over. So just shows you done it. Get your foundation in, get it cracked on, and You're absolutely fine. As you can see, the wonderful Yorkshire weather strikes again. Last week, working in 30 degree, couldn't bloody have a big headache, this, that and other, you know, from the sun. Now it's peeing it down. But I don't know if you could see how we're walking about then. Bottom of my spine's a bit tender. It's hurting me. I'm off to chiropractor in the morning. So I'm going to take the opportunity just to go chill out and lay down on the sofa, rest my back up, because I'll get shouted at by Nico. So yeah, we've got them in, got a couple in. I'd say about 3 meters worth of drains in. They'll get put in tomorrow while Tom's running backwards and forwards for hardcore. So it works again. We're back here tomorrow, we're stoning it up ready. So I shall see you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Sharp.